In this video, I will show you how you can use the application to change the password and name of Wi-Fi network of PC. Okay. From this menu, we will select setting. So we will change the Wi-Fi name to Tanner, TANNER. Wi-Fi password to 1111191. Okay, then we'll press send. Now the Wi-Fi name and password was changed, but we still see ESP 8266, the old name. To set it for the new name, we need to set the port. So this button. As you see, ESP was cancelled and tunnel is appeared. We will connect to tunnel. 1 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Connected to tunnel. Okay. Can reduce or increase the brightness from here, and this is to control the speed.